My name is Amber, and I'm the early childhood special education teacher for C.O.O.R ISD, and I've been doing it for the last 14 years. When I went to college, I did my undergrad in elementary education. And so after I graduated, the first job I had was doing tutoring with a company, some after-school tutoring. And that's when I really started to notice that our students were missing some of the basic skills and how important intervention was. So I went back to school and started on my master's in special education. What's unique about our ISD and early childhood special education is we don't have a program. So all of our services for our young ones are in our local preschool programs, and then we provide the services there. So it's really great because our young students are in Head Starts and GSRPs or private preschools, and then we go to support their needs there. With our small districts, I get to do birth to 3 as well. So I get to go into the homes. Honestly, I love what I do. Meeting these families and connecting with them and helping them advocate for their child is huge for me. I love being able to create those connections and, give them the resources that they need to advocate for their child moving up through education. I also really enjoy seeing the growth in our students. It's really amazing to see our little ones from babies or toddlers that we're supporting, and now they're in 8th or 9th grade, and seeing them interacting with their peers and enjoying school and things like that. So I just really love to see the growth and also be that support. The first step, honestly, I would say, especially for early childhood, is find some opportunities where you can interact with really young children, whether it be daycare or school camps or anything like that. And then if they're looking at it as a college career, early childhood education is, the way to start and really get to know child development and things like that. Honestly, I grew up in the Detroit area, so I really enjoy the access that we have to outdoor activities. But another part of Northern Michigan is the small communities. Being able to see these little ones grow up and become young adults and still have that connection to them out in the community and seeing their families grow, that's so rewarding.